Hello, welcome back to a new video on my channel. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the Jaguar XJ's reliability and common issues. If you're considering buying a luxurious Jaguar XJ, this video is a must-watch. The Jaguar XJ is known for its elegant design, powerful engines, and a luxurious driving experience. But how reliable is this high-end sedan? Let's dive in. When it comes to reliability, the Jaguar XJ has received mixed reviews. Various automotive sources and consumer reports indicate that the Jaguar XJ's reliability is on par with or slightly below the industry average. Now, let's talk about some common issues of Jaguar XJ. First on the list is electrical problems. Some owners have experienced electrical issues, including malfunctioning infotainment systems, faulty sensors, and issues with the car's computer systems. These problems can be costly to diagnose and repair. I have mostly experienced door mechanism failure on several XJs, which makes the car unlockable and prone to breakings, which is quite common in the UK at the moment. Unfortunately, the door mechanisms are not repairable and need replacing. Luckily, there are suppliers that sell them at reasonable prices on eBay, and that saves you a few pounds compared to main dealer prices. The next issue is to do with air suspensions. Most Jaguar XJs come with air suspensions, which makes the car ride a lot smoother and provides seamless long journeys. The air suspension components are the same as of those used in Range Rovers, which is a major red flag. I myself have been a victim of air suspensions failing on my Jaguar. Repairing a pair of suspension airbags cost me just under £2,000, and the scary part is that they may go bad again, as they are known to fail if the car is left parked for over a few weeks. Another issues I experienced with the mighty XJ is gear selector problems. Land Rover and Jaguar introduced the new 8-speed transmission around 2010. The new nice-looking transmission selector would come up and go down when the car is started and ready to go. However, these selectors have started to fail with increased use over time. These gear selectors start to have a mind of their own and cause major issues by not allowing you to select the gears and get stuck in their park position, which makes the car useless. Fixing a gear selector usually means replacing the whole module, and it is not a cheap repair. The last point to mention is engine reliability. The 3-litre diesel engines are fairly reliable. Noticeable issues with these engines are failing manifold covers and turbo issues leading to lack of power symptoms. These mainly happen with aging Jaguars and with those not serviced and maintained properly. However, the petrol engines are a nightmare to own. They are commonly known to have timing chain issues, which leads to engine damages beyond repair. I would personally choose the 3-litre diesel engines. Now, to ensure your Jaguar XJ remains reliable and trouble-free, here are some maintenance tips. Regular servicing. Stay on top of your car's scheduled maintenance. Regular oil changes, brake inspections, and fluid top-ups are essential. Address warning lights immediately. If any warning lights appear on your dashboard, don't ignore them. Get them checked by a professional as soon as possible. Air suspension maintenance. If your XJ has an air suspension system, be sure to have it inspected regularly for leaks and damage. Quality fuel and oils. Use high-quality fuels and engine oils to maintain the performance and longevity of your engine. That's all for today's video on the Jaguar XJ's reliability and common issues. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.